I'm going to show you how to remove this particular error in your Eclipse IDE. Okay, so let's go and remove this particular error so that we can run this particular program that I have created just now for like demo purpose only. So go to your project file, right click on it, go to this build path section and go to this configure build path. Okay, then click on this library button and go to this module path section and remove this JRE system library. Okay, and then you have to click on this module path, add library and JRE system library next, and then you have to click on this executive environment and then finish it. Okay, and then apply and apply close. Okay, now let's give it a try. So you can see our program now has been successfully run, and here is our output. You can see, let me change this hello to something else. Now run it again and you can see we are getting the output. Okay, thank you for this watching this video.